Like, why do we replay sad songs when we're heartbroken, rewatch movies that make us cry, or stay in situations we know hurt us? If pain is supposed to be bad, why does it sometimes feel familiar, safe, almost cozy? That's what we're talking about today. And don't worry, this isn't going to be a boring science lecture. Think of this as a late-night conversation where your brain accidentally tells the truth. Let's start with something simple. Ever had a sore muscle after a workout and thought, yeah, that hurts, but in a good way? That's not just you being dramatic. That's your brain doing something sneaky. Your brain loves familiarity, not happiness, not success. Familiarity. If your brain had a dating profile, it wouldn't say, looking for joy. It would say, looking for what I already know. So if pain has been part of your life for a long time, emotional or physical, your brain starts treating it like an old roommate. Annoying, uncomfortable, but predictable. And predictable feels safe. Here's the weird part. Pain releases chemicals in your brain, endorphins, dopamine, adrenaline. Yes, the same dopamine involved in pleasure. That's why people run marathons. That's why people love spicy food that burns their mouth. That's why someone says, I like a little chaos. Your brain is like, ouch, danger. Then immediately, okay, but here's a reward for surviving. Over time, your brain connects pain with relief. And relief feels good. So sometimes pain isn't about suffering. It's about what comes after the pain. Now let's talk emotional pain. Ever gone back to someone who hurt you, even though you swore you wouldn't? You weren't being stupid. You were being human. Your brain remembers the pain, but it also remembers the pattern. You know how it ends. You know how to behave. You know what to expect. Compare that to something new. New people, new habits, new happiness. Your brain hates that. New things mean uncertainty. Uncertainty means danger, even if the new thing is good. So your brain whispers, at least the pain we know won't surprise us. That's why people stay in toxic jobs, relationships, and routines, not because they enjoy the pain, but because they understand it. Let's add some light humor here.